In today's video, we're going to be doing an update on the spot price of the precious metals, but we also have to talk about why we saw silver spike by over 11% last night and then come immediately right back down. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to do a spot price update on silver because the spot price is down, but we also have to talk about the spot price glitch that we saw, many of us saw, last night. It was all over Twitter. Everyone was talking about it. It's kind of a big deal for a very short period of time. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. And get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. We've got the brand new Lone Wolf collection out now, as well as the even newer Consistency is Key collection out now. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. But today is Tuesday, September 7th, 2021. The current spot price of silver as I'm filming the video is $24.25, down 1.66%, down 41 cents. And of course the spot price of gold is $1794.80, down 1.55%, down $28.20. It's nice to see gold under 1,800 bucks. And of course, the gold to silver ratio is currently in the 73 to 74 to 1 range, but of course that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. But today we have to talk a little bit about this spot price glitch, or whatever you want to call it, that occurred last night. Obviously the markets were closed, but as the Asian markets were opening back up, we start to see the numbers begin to fluctuate. And that's exactly what we saw last night, except they weren't really fluctuating. They were kind of spiking in an upward direction, and it was mind-blowing to me because it's the most I've seen silver move in a very long time. It went up by $2.79 almost instantaneously, with it going up by 11.3%. That's a massive jump, and it might not sound very massive, but check out this chart right here. This is what silver did last night. It caught me off guard. It caught a lot of other people off guard. It caught everybody off guard. I'm sure there's a lot of people who didn't even notice this happening, but if you were paying attention to the spot price, or if you were even just on social media, you would have seen a lot of people were talking about this. I mean, look at that right there. Straight up in the air. Look at that green line going straight up to the sky. But shortly after, it came right back down to where it was before it popped off in the first place. Now I'm going to talk about why this happened, or reportedly why this happened, but I also wanted to talk about the current state of the spot price, where it is right now, without any glitch, without any weirdness going on in the Asian markets, or without anything going on. I want to talk about the current spot price of silver, which is obviously $24.25 as I'm filming the video. Now the reason I wanted to mention this is because this is excellent news. Silver's down, gold is down, and the stock market is down. I can't speak for anyone but myself, but those are three things that I personally love to see, because if the stock market's down, if silver's down, and gold is down, that means I can stack, save, and invest all for cheaper. It would take a lesser amount of dollar bills to begin taking steps in a forward direction and little by little chip away at working towards my goals, my stacking, saving, and investing goals. So I love the red days. This is something that I've been saying for years and years and years and years. Also, by the way, really quick, speaking of the stock market being down, one of the investing apps that I use, Webull, has two promos going on right now. I just want to let everybody know. The first one is if you download the app and create an account with my referral link, they will give you 2 free stocks as long as you make a deposit of any amount. and I tested it out for myself. I deposited 1 penny and it worked. They let you do that. So that's one promo going on right now. And the other is that if you refer 3 people, they'll give you a free share of Apple, and the promo ends this month. It's worth over $150. You could always just go and sell that and use the $150 to go get some silver if you want. Webull link in the description. So with silver not up 11.3%, and it came right back down to where it was before it popped off in the first place. And then when our markets opened up, silver's down even further, lower than it was before the market even closed. So this is good news for me. Good news for a lot of us, for those of us who are still in acquisition mode, if we're still trying to stack as much silver as possible and as much gold as possible. I mean, let's talk about gold as well. Under $1,800. I remember saying a week or two ago when gold climbed slightly back up above the $1,800 range, and it kind of sat there relatively complacent or stagnant or whatever you want to call it. And I remember saying, I was like, I'd really like to see gold drop back down below $1,800. And not only would I like to see it drop below $1,800, I would like to see it stay below $1,800 for at least a little while. I mean, I still have some gold that I need to get my hands on. I mean, I need to get some more 10th ouncers. I need to get some more quarter ouncers. I need more gold. And I do still have some goldbacks on the way. They have not yet arrived. We've had a lot of chaos going on, hurricanes and whatnot, so I understand that, or to my understanding at least, a lot of mail and a lot of packages and a lot of orders are showing up later than expected, so that's out of my control. There's not a whole lot I can do about that. But now I want to go back to why silver spiked the way that it did last night. Because to my understanding, that had to have been a glitch. And also to my understanding, I didn't think it was going to drop back down. I wasn't sure what was going to happen. Because when I first noticed this is when silver took off out of nowhere. Caught everybody completely off guard. And it didn't drop back down just yet. Didn't know what was going to happen. Didn't know if it was going to drop back down. Didn't know what in the world was happening. All we knew was that silver spiked out of nowhere. And we were questioning what's going on with the Asian market. What's going to happen when the US market opens up? What's going to happen then? Are we going to go up even further? Is there going to be a little bit of a correction? Is this a glitch, or is silver taking off? I mean, for it to out of nowhere shoot up 11.3%. Then we got a little bit of an update. We got a little bit of information that was posted shortly after that happened, which said, alerts on spot silver price rally withdrawn. That was the title. And then if you were to click on it and read through what it says, it tells you, the alerts on spot silver price rallying over 10% have been withdrawn due to incorrect data displayed. Now, right off the bat, I can't help but question, why was incorrect data displayed? Where did that incorrect data come from? Where was the mix-up? What went wrong? Why did that happen? How did it happen? How was it allowed to happen? What really went on? So, you could refer to it as a glitch, or a mistake, or incorrect data being displayed. I don't have the answers why it fully happened, but whatever happened last night caught a lot of people off guard. It wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. There was a pretty big mix-up. Some type of error. I'm not exactly sure. This is all the information that we have so far. If you have more information, please direct me to some articles. Let's not speculate and make accusations and assumptions and come up with all these theories. Let's go by the facts. Let's go by what we know. So far, this is all I know. But I'm very curious, everybody else watching this right now, If you were able to catch the glitch last night, if you noticed it happening, if you saw it happening in real time, if you were paying attention to the spot price, or if you were on social media and you saw everybody freaking out about it, what was your reaction? What was your response? Did you assume that it was a glitch? That's kind of what I thought at first, but then I wasn't so sure. My initial response was, that can't be right, that can't be accurate. And we've seen spot price, quote unquote, glitch in the past. I haven't seen it spike by 11.3% in the blink of an eye. But I've seen errors. I've seen corrections be made. Different type of correction be made. I've seen messages withdrawn. I've seen incorrect data be displayed. But I haven't seen this much of a jump. So I'm very curious, everybody watching this right now, what was your initial response? And being that spot price came right back down to where it was, and now that the market is open, and we're even more in the red than we were before, are you going to be capitalizing on the opportunity? We got the spot price of silver in the $24 range. We have the spot price of gold below $1,800. Are you going to be picking up any more silver or gold this week? Going to be picking up any more wealth? Are you going to be exchanging or converting any of your currency for money? That's what I'm going to be doing. Here's my goal for the week. Number one, my goal for the week is to receive my new gold backs, which I ordered a week and a half ago, or maybe about a week ago. My goal is to have those in hand. It's not really in my control, but I definitely want them. I'm really excited about them. I will be getting even more Washington quarters toward the end of the week. I would like to get another handful or a small bag of 90% silver quarters, as I like to do as often as I can. Support the local coin shop, stop by, pay them a visit, have a nice little chat about real, true, honest money, and go home with less currency and more wealth. That's what I like to do. Nothing crazy, nothing spectacular. Just some of these, whenever I can. I no longer get them online anymore. Unless, of course, I stumbled upon a really good deal, then I would. But, generally speaking, I'm not really interested. I'd rather support the small business instead of a massive, multi-million, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue corporation. I think the small businesses are much more deserving of my support and my currency, so I'd rather give it to them. I'll still get gold online from time to time because my local coin shop doesn't really have much of a selection on gold. They don't really have what I'm looking for. They don't really carry what I'm typically interested in, such as the 10th ounce and quarter ounce gold coins. I'll tell you what, if gold continues to drop, I'd like to go for some more of these. There's another 10th ouncer that I would really like to get. There's 4 more that I need to get to complete my international troy ounce of gold, but the premiums are just too steep on the little 10th ouncer, so I'm not really too enthusiastic or motivated to work on that any further, at least not at the time for the time being. But there is another 10th ouncer that I would like to get. Typically carries a lower premium than the others, so I hope to get that as soon as possible. Hopefully I can do that on payday. And then as for quarter ouncers, there's 3 more that I want to get, and it's a denomination that I'm really satisfied with when it comes to gold. I really like the quarter ounce gold coins. I want to get a 2021 Britannia. I want to get a Maple Leaf. I want to get potentially a Type 2 Gold Eagle. That'd be pretty nice. And obviously I want to get a couple more gold backs. That's really my focus when it comes to gold, at least for right now. And then when it comes to silver, to keep it simple, keep it boring. 90%. That's the focus. That's the priority. Nothing spectacular, like I said before. Nothing overly exciting. Nothing that gives you an adrenaline rush. Same stuff every time. Some constitutional. Some, as what many like to refer to as junk. Junk silver. I don't consider it to be junk, though. That's it. That's the focus. That's where my priorities are at the moment. That's how I'm stacking right now. With silver being down, with gold being down, and the stock market being down, you better believe I will be stacking both precious metals, and I will be investing even more. Remember to get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull with my referral link and making a deposit of any amount, and then refer 3 friends to get a free share of Apple worth over $150. Link in the description. That's what I like to do, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. So I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. I want you to comment below and let me know, what did you think of the spot price glitch that we noticed last night? Did it catch you off guard? Was it something that you were paying attention to? Is it something that you got an update on or an alert of some sort? Silver was on the move. Again, up 11.3%. That was wild. Didn't last very long. Then we got an update saying that incorrect data was displayed. Once again, I gotta ask, why was incorrect data displayed? Where did that incorrect data come from? Why did that happen? How did it happen? And more importantly, how was it allowed to happen? Maybe we'll find out the answers. Maybe we won't. I don't know. Not that big of a deal, I guess. I'm just curious how that was even able to take place at all. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. What did you think of the spot price update glitch from last night? And what are your next pickups going to be in terms of the precious metals? And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller and easier to manage. I'm posting exclusive VIP-only adventure vlogs. I also do giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shoutouts, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a variety of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to hit that subscribe button like a Karen hits a bus window. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Bunch of brand new videos over there. Go check them out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 3,000 subscribers. We just hit 2,000, and I appreciate that. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products. T-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations, such as the recently released Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug, inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin, which, by the way, is helping us raise a little bit of funds and awareness for ocean cleanup charity organizations. And of course, the brand new DYDSS Lone Wolf t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, coffee mug, and long sleeve tee, available in 4 different colors, and a portion of the proceeds are going towards the International Wolf Center. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? When it comes to the spot price of both precious metals, silver being in the red, gold being below $1,800, are you going to be capitalizing on either of the two metals this week? And obviously, when it comes to the spot price glitch that we saw last night. What are your thoughts on that right there? Did you catch it? Did you see it happen in real time? Maybe this video is the first you're hearing about it. What's your response? Maybe you didn't know what happened yesterday, what happened last night, but now you're finding out about it right here, right now. What's your response? What's your reaction to silver spiking by 11.3% and then almost instantaneously coming right back down with the message being retracted and then with updates coming out saying that it was withdrawn and that incorrect data was displayed? No explanation why or how the incorrect data was displayed, where it came from, or why it was submitted or anything like that. But what are your thoughts? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.